right, keep them moving down the line.
The pure watermelon juice
The pasteurization process begins, where the juice is gently heated to eliminate harmful bacteria.
The final processed watermelon juice is now clean, safe, and ready to be sent to the filling and packaging section.
freshly squeezed and ready to roll. Delivering the taste of summer, Fresh Sip watermelon juice is now heading to markets near you.